Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be discussing the short-term price action to expect in the next coming hours on the Matic chart. And at the time of this recording, Matic continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. Matic is also holding above support on the 0.7838, and as long as this key area of support continues to hold, there are high chances of seeing another bounce, break above the 0.83, and a break above the 0.83, then there are high chances of seeing that massive surge to the next key area of resistance at the $0.867 in the next coming hours. And the movement that we are seeing at the moment is after a reaction of an area that I gave you in my previous video, which is the area that I have highlighted on the charts using these red markings. And this is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low that we made on the 24th of January to that high above the 0.835. Giving me a minimum pullback target area into the area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618. And you can see that we saw a reaction of the fib level 0.5, giving us a bounce to the upside, breaking above resistance at the 0.7838, flipping that back into support. And as long as we continue holding above the 0.7836, there are high chances of seeing that surge to the upside, break above the 0.83, and continue seeing higher prices. And I also believe that that movement is also dependent on what Bitcoin continues to do, because if by any chance BTC continues to give us higher prices, then I will expect such a similar scenario to also play out here on the Matic chart and expect higher prices. But if by any chance we see a breakdown move, on the Matic chart, the first key area of support that we need to continue holding lies above the 0.7836, and as long as this continues to hold, we can expect another bounce back. But if by any chance the breakdown move gives us a break to the lower side of this key area of support, flipping it back into resistance, watch for a breakdown move back into our red target area over here. And maybe this time we might be able to fully maximize the area. And if we continue holding within the area, we can expect a bounce back to the upside, breaking above resistances and see even higher prices. And the worst case scenario can be that we break down to the lower side, fully maximize our red target area, continue heading further down and break out of this red target area to the lower side. And if by any chance we see such a movement, then I will be watching for support on the 0.6905, which is the next significant area of support to the lower side. So those are the movements that I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Matic chart for the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.